Hello everyone, welcome to our new lesson. Today we are gonna talk about 5 alternatives to please. So the first one is if you would be so kind. Let's see its usage in a sentence. Could you bring me a cup of tea if you would be so kind? The second one is if you don't mind. Let's see it in example. We'll start it now if you don't mind. Third one is kindly. Let's have a look on it. Kindly pay my compliments to your parents. The fourth one is if that's alright with you. Let's have a look on it. We're gonna finish it in an hour if that's alright with you. The last one is I would love it if you could. For example, I would love it if you could help me. That's all for today. See you in next lesson.